In a world where learning is often confined to the walls of a classroom, where curiosity is sometimes stifled by rigid curriculums, there exists a beacon of hope. Welcome to Sparkle Shed, where education meets excitement. We believe that education should be more than just memorizing facts and figures. It should ignite a passion for learning, foster creativity, and empower children to thrive at their own pace. That's why we've created the Home School Kickstart Kit, a fun and simple guide designed to make education fun and engaging for children of all ages. From interactive tasks to creative projects, our kit and weekly challenges provide the tools for children to learn through discovery and play. Our free weekly challenges are adaptable for all ages and all homeschool families. These challenges are not just tasks to complete, they are invitations to explore, to question, and to grow. Because we believe that education is not just about what you know, but about how you think. It's about nurturing independent thinkers who are unafraid to question, to experiment, and to form their own thoughts and feelings. So, join us on this journey of discovery. Together, let's unlock the potential within every child and make learning an adventure they'll cherish for a lifetime. Because learning is an adventure, not just a destination. Simply sign up today and let the excitement begin. We'll see you on the inside.